Hi there, thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. In this video, we're going to show you what's included with the Touchstone mantle and how to go about mounting it. Okay, now that we have the mantle out of the box, it also comes with a bag, and this is all the hardware that's included. You have your touch-up stain for any marks that may happen along the way, and 2 mounting blocks that you'll secure to the studs, and your manual and the screws that are included. For this video, we're going to be mounting our 72-inch chestnut mantle that you see here. Make sure that you are installing the mounting blocks into your studs. So you might need to use a stud finder to do that, and make sure that they're level. You can see here that we already have the first one mounted and that it's level. We use the screws provided in our kit that are 2.5 inches long, but you may need to use longer screws depending on your wall and materials used like stone or tile. Now that we have it measured out and we know that it's level, we're going to install the second block into the studs. Now that we have both mounting blocks properly fastened to the studs in the wall, we're going to mount the mantle to them. One of the great parts about our mantles is that they're so light, they're just about 10 pounds. So it makes it very easy to do. So you just set them on top of the mounting blocks, and you'll want to measure out exactly where you want it. You have some wiggle room to where this is mounted in place. Now that we have the mantle up and centered how we want it, we're going to put the screws in to hold it in place. Touch-up stain is included in the kit, so after you have your mantle installed, you can touch up any points that may have been marked during installation. Now that the mantle is installed, it will hold up to 50 pounds, so keep that into consideration. And if you have any questions during the process, feel free to give us a call or email us. Thank you for watching.